Hey Tui Tui, what should we pull today? Let's pull some new alphabets. Let's start. Look, Bubu, what is this? Oh, that is letter F. Let's put it right here. Here comes another one. Wow, G, letter G. This one looks tall. Yes, that is letter H. Look, Bubu, another one. Oh, that is letter I. Last one. Yay, letter J. Let's see what we found. F, G, H, I, J. Great learning today. See you next time. Bye-bye. If you want to learn more, click subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Lots of jumping and giggle. Learn, fun, explore. With Learn Dada, you'll love to learn more.